So I'm Mr. Merchant. I'm the bowling coach here at Gateway to Success Academy, along with my assistants, Tom Voss and Larissa Johnston. We are just thrilled with the improvements that our team's making, their ability to take coaching, to follow direction, to improve themselves, to work on this, on their game, and to stay in it, as we like to say. You know, that not get frustrated and stay in it and keep working. We have another meet tomorrow. We were in the second place position in our league. This is our first time being in an actual league, and we're in second place, and we're moving, you know, trying for that first place position. But more than that, what we're doing is seeing character improvement and the ability to take direction and to learn new things and to not get frustrated. And that can translate into schoolwork, that can be a professional life, a personal life. So as far as being the coach of these young people, I'm impressed with their bowling games, of course, but far more by their character and their ability to be coached. So it's a thrill to be with them. If you were revving, it would break quicker, I would think. That ball over that mark?
Yes.
Okay, so you know I don't know much about that big spin, but my guess is it broke hard at the end. So it's going to have to cut mark, or you throwing over. Like when you release the ball, what mark? What do you use?
Right.
You're pitching it out that far, right? That's where you're aiming. So that would be my only concern. Foul line, you could always come up a little more. What happened? Why are all the pins down? Because it's physics, right? That was great. So now you know if you hit your mark, you don't have to, your flow of your release. And that's why we practice.